excited about making money on Facebook? Because in this video, I'm going to introduce you top 7 ethical and effective ways to make money on Facebook. So let's start. Social media hold the promise of being the next biggest marketing arena in town. However, the rules are far different on social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for marketers than they are for conventional formats like television ads or direct marketing campaigns. A more subtle approach is required because of the policy that many of the social networks do not allow direct solicitation of their members. Even so, you can see that making money on Facebook can be done, just not as direct as with the other type of revenue-making site. So here's come the big question. How does one make money on Facebook then? Obviously, you have to start generating traffic to your profile. From there, you have a number of social strategies to gain attention from your friends and to have sales opportunities. Here are the top 7 strategies and ways you can make money on Facebook. Number 1, the marketplace. Marketplace on Facebook is one option for sellers on Facebook that is not only common, but also one can argue that it is getting more and more popular. There are different areas in the marketplace such as item for sales area, housing, vehicles, and jobs. Add your own listing to the right areas and remember, your results and the results that others see are based on the geographical region you put in your profile. This can be changed to view a wider geographical regions of sales, but for the most part, they will be local sales that you see, and you have to deliberately change the setting to see results from other geographical regions. That means that if you are a local business, it can be a great way to advertise some of your offerings. Besides sellings, you can also use the marketplace to give away freebies that are associated with your business. Just because you're not selling something doesn't mean that you shouldn't try to collect more friends and traffic back to your profile this way. Another uncommon utilization would be to look for a prospect via the marketplace. Generally, this is for buyers who want a particular item. People may have trouble finding what they want, so some decide to put up ads to ask sellers to contact them. You can check these ads to see if you have something someone wants and then sell it to them. Number 2, Facebook ads. Facebook ads can be very finely tuned due to demographic data that the social media giant collects on all of its users. Facebook ads are a relatively cheap alternative. You do have to pay for the service, and it is one of the ways in which Facebook generates income, but keep in mind that the job of an ad is to generate revenue for you too. With Facebook ads, you'll want to figure out who you will target with your campaign. That's because Facebook collects all of this data and serve up ads based on who you tell it to serve, not based on keywords or large group of unidentified or unknown people. When you create an ad campaign on Facebook, you can be assured that it is being served up to people in the demographic you have targeted, thereby increasing the potential for income. As long as you only advertise things that are in accordance with Facebook policy, it is an ethical way to make money on Facebook without offending anyone by spamming. Number 3, become a celebrity. I know, you might think this is a long shot, but we all know a few social media celebrities in our network. If your aim is to become a celebrity, you can build up a fan base online with Facebook very easily by adding a Facebook page and inviting people to follow. You can self-promote and add whatever links you want to add to your Facebook page. Whatever you put on your Facebook page, you will attract people to your group and be able to engage them more personally without having to do it via your profile. Simply invite people on your own contact list to become a fan of your page. That's the basic for a good start. After you have attracted a good following, start promoting your product, service, upcoming events, and so on. As long as you regularly deliver values to your followers and not just spam them with your promotion, your fame should be growing and you will be making money on Facebook easily. Number 4, host an event. You can use Facebook to help advertise local and online events. Obviously, the way to make money through events is by charging people for its access. Whether an online or offline event is a better option for your business, Facebook can be a great platform to promote it to a wider audience since it is currently the biggest social media on the planet. When creating an event on Facebook, besides the basic information, you can also add posts that introduce visitors to your business. By doing that, even when a prospect doesn't end up purchase the ticket to your event, you can still receive traffic to your Facebook page and benefit from the exposure. Number 5, sales your media expertise. If you have been on Facebook for a while, you have an advantage over others who may just be starting to figure out this social networking platform. You can use that expertise to help others gain more exposure for themselves and for their businesses, and it's not hard to locate such folks. If this is something that interests you, you can set yourself up as a coach for other newbie Facebook entrepreneurs and get paid to help others succeed. Along with acting as a coach or consultant, you can also sell info products to help people understand how to best use Facebook and how to make cash from it too. For instance, if you have found some interesting way to market on Facebook and it makes money for other people, you can bet that more people will want to pay money for that information. The best way to promote your info products on Facebook is to have a professional Facebook page where you add links to your offerings so that you don't appear as a spammer or fake guru. Number 6, blog your way to success on Facebook. Blogging is a great way to start getting noticed on the internet. Once you set up a blog, you can use it to advertise your affiliate offers, promote your own products, generate a subscriber list, and make money on Facebook. There's no blog feature within Facebook, but it is an excellent place to promote a snippet of your blog and increase traffic to your website, or to network with other bloggers and generate opportunities to create partnership. The main way you're going to leverage Facebook to get massive exposure and traffic back to your website is by networking with other bloggers in your niche. Do a little research on Facebook and help forums to see who you can connect with. Reach out and be genuine about your plan to expand your network. When other bloggers agree to add you to their network or join yours, this gives you more credibility and help you to attract more attention from people within Facebook who are in your target demographic. Another clever hack you should be aware of is that if people comment on your post, the people within the commenters' friend circle will see your posting too, and this will give you optimal exposure to gain new subscribers within your target demographic. So try to ask your followers to comment with every blog. Number 7, promote your pay-per-view content. Besides promoting your own blog, pay-per-view content is also an awesome option to make money on Facebook. If you are a writer and have a way with words, you'll probably notice that some sites are willing to pay you based on the number of people who view your content. And with pay-per-view content, the rules are simple. More views equal more earning. You can gain many more views if you know how to promote your information on different social media sites, not just Facebook. This is perfectly ethical to do, as you're not soliciting people to buy your content. You're being paid for the traffic that goes to that site. To use Facebook to push your pay-per-view content, here are some simple steps you can do. First, when you publish your content, go to your Facebook account and publish the link in your status update. This will promote it to your friends. Give it a while and see if anyone comments. If not, post it again. Next, if comments start rolling in, always answer each comment no matter how trivial. The reason for this is that every time someone comments, your post will be shown to people within your friends group and a commenter's friends group too. Thus, every time someone comments or you comment, your post get promoted once again. And lastly, always join groups on Facebook that are relevant to the pay-per-view content that you're trying to promote. It's always good to have just a few niches. That way, you won't have to constantly find a new group to join. Go in, contribute to the conversation, and then add your link to your pay-per-view content. Remember, you are contributing to the conversation. People are talking about your content and you are getting paid. As long as you aren't soliciting people to buy from you, this is perfectly permissible. One last thing to remember. You have to use a casual and friendly tone, and you are never allowed to spam anyone. Learning how to make money while contributing value is the key. From there, you can definitely find more ethical ways to make money on Facebook. In the meantime, if you're serious about growing your business on Facebook, we have 2 top-tier options for you: a full Facebook funnel accelerator or our marketer guides to high converting Facebook ads. Check the link in the description box below to apply your discount for both. Or if you want to learn about the free tools available out there to make money on Facebook, we have made an entire series to bring them all to you. Let us know in the comment below if you want more videos on how to make money on Facebook. We would love to hear from you. Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stand Up.